In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pin chat messages in Zoom channel. First, open your Zoom desktop app and make sure you're on the main interface. This process is done inside the desktop version of Zoom, so once the app is open, you'll be ready to navigate to the correct area. At the top of the Zoom window, click Team Chat. This is where Zoom organizes direct messages, group conversations, and channels. After you enter Team Chat, move your attention to the left-hand panel. In that panel, click Channels. This will show you the list of channels available to you. Next, select the channel where you want to pin a chat message. As soon as you click into that channel, the conversation for that channel will open on the right side of the screen. Take a moment to locate the specific message you want to pin. This can be useful if there's an important update, instruction, link, or announcement that you want everyone in the channel to be able to find more easily. Once you've found the message, hover your mouse over that chat. When you do, additional options will appear for that message. Click the More Options icon and then choose Pin to Everyone. This action makes the message stand out for the channel, helping keep important information visible and easier for others to reference later. After you pin it, you should see a small confirmation at the bottom of the chat bubble that says pinned by you. That lets you know the message has been successfully pinned. That's all there is to it. Open Zoom, go to Team Chat, click Channels, choose the right channel, find the message, open the More Options menu, and select Pin to Everyone. If you're managing team communication, this is a simple but helpful feature for keeping key messages from getting lost in a busy conversation. One quick tip: before pinning, make sure you've selected the exact message you want, especially in active channels where several similar replies may appear close together. A pinned message is meant to draw attention, so it's worth taking an extra second to confirm you're highlighting the right one. And that's it. You now know how to pin chat messages in a Zoom channel.